Hello there. Again, another or second mini log for Ludum Dare, number 30. This is about 1.5, well actually no, it's an hour and 49 minutes into Ludum Dare, and I've got my basic framework up and running, and I can run it. So I'm basically rendering a window, rendering stuff, just a random, like I went nuts on the sprite sheet and just did random stuff with random color. So, but the important thing is that all of the code is working with, you know, rendering tiles, rendering animations, moving the map, everything like that. So yes, right now it sort of looks like a similar engine to what I'm using in A Peasant's Tale, and that's because it is a very similar engine. It's the same simple framework that I use for A Peasant's Tale, but I've got actually a big idea for this game, and I'm really happy to share it because yeah, I think it's pretty unique and I think it's pretty cool, and I don't think I've seen anybody do it yet or heard of it. Basically, well, as you guys probably know already, if you watched the last mini log about like an hour or two ago, the theme for Ludum Dare 30 is worlds collide. So that can be taken in a number of meanings, and basically a ton of people are going to be doing like, oh, worlds collide, so like space travel or like space trading or random crap like that. And you know, that's cool, it's a cool premise for a game, but it's too generic, like it's too cliche. So my idea is that you're basically this dude on Earth, and suddenly this like temporal shift happens or whatever, like some crazy event happens, and it opens up this wormhole or portal to a random new world or a new dimension, and it sucks you in. And so basically you're on every world that you're in, there's a portal to a new world. And you're basically trying to find these portals on each level, and they shoot you to a new world, and you're just basically hoping to eventually make it back to Earth. So that's like the premise. And the cool thing that I want to implement in this to make it a bit unique is not just random generation, but random texture generation. So I'll be randomly generating, I'll give like a color palette for certain levels, and I'll just randomly generate tiles. And I think that'll end up being kind of cool. And I can do like sort of semi-random procedural generation, like for certain patterns and things like that, and I think that should be pretty interesting. It's definitely going to be sort of an exploration, maybe even a little bit of a puzzle game. And I'm hoping to make it really weird. Like, I want these worlds to be very exotic and very weird. So very strange color palettes, like neon colors like this, crazy stuff. There's strange life forms, maybe. And yeah, so that's it. And it shouldn't be too complex to make. The most difficult thing will definitely be the random generation. And yeah, that's the game I hope to make in 48 hours. Well, now it's about 46 hours. Anyway, that'll do it for this devlog, or mini-log, and I'll see you in a little bit. Also, remember to check the Facebook page, because I will be posting updates more regularly than these videos on there. So yeah, that's it, and goodbye!